What if the YouTube video that you come across has the potential to be a source of passive income, like any video? It might seem a bit impossible, but I found something that's turning this idea into reality, and I promise you're about to discover something you've never thought about before. I will show you everything, step by step. Ready to learn? Let's begin. Step 1. Understanding the artificial intelligence. Let's start by talking about how artificial intelligence, or AI, has changed the game for making videos. There's this tool called ChatGPT that's like a super smart computer brain. Since it came out with some special features, lots of different versions of it, called GPTs, have been made. But the one we're interested in is the YouTube quiz creator. It's not like other quiz makers because it can make quizzes based on specific YouTube videos. So you might not realize it right away, but let me tell you, this is actually quite exciting. For instance, you're watching a video, and then, without any effort from your end, you can create a quiz about it. No need to rack your brain trying to come up with questions. This tool does it for you. It's like having your own personal quiz-making assistant and turning this fun tool into a money-making opportunity. Step 2. Exploring the secret AI. Now, let's go to YouTube Quiz Creator and check out how this works with a real example. I'll use one of my own videos to show you. First off, you grab the link to the video you want to make a quiz about. Just simply copy the link of your video. Then, you paste that link into the chat where the quiz creator is. Next, you tell it how many questions you want and how tricky you want them to be. And that's it. Step 3. Turn your quiz into cash. Creating quizzes can be a fun thing to do, but let's talk about turning that fun into cash. But how? One clever way to do it is by launching your very own YouTube channel dedicated solely to quizzes. Quizzes are a hit, especially when they're centered around topics they're already crazy about. For instance, you make quizzes based on videos from big shot YouTubers. And boom! You've got a perfect niche for your viewers. See, these famous YouTubers already have massive fan bases, so tapping into their content means potentially reaching a ton of engagement. So, by crafting quizzes tied to these popular videos, you're basically inviting fans to join in on the fun. And when your channel starts going with the activity, that's when the money-making magic happens. It's all about turning what people enjoy into an opportunity to score some sweet cash. Step 4. Improve your quiz. Alright, there's more to creating an awesome quiz video than just throwing out questions. Let's dive into it. You've got to make sure those questions hit the spot. Let's say, not too easy, not too tough, just right. Mixing things up with easy, medium, and hard questions is what I'm talking about. First, think about the difficulty level of your questions. You want to challenge your viewers just enough to keep them engaged without making them scratch their heads. Secondly, mix it up. Throw in a variety of questions, some easy ones to warm up, some medium ones to keep the momentum going, and some hard ones to really test their knowledge. Next, consider using different videos for each part of your quiz. This keeps things fresh and exciting, kind of like changing up the scenery. Now let's talk about adding your voice to the mix. People love hearing a real person guide them through the quiz instead of just staring at words on the screen. And guess what? You can use AI to give your voice a more natural sound. It's like having a virtual co-host to keep things lively. Then, give in some cool pictures and animations to your videos. Plus, it makes your videos more enjoyable to watch and keeps your viewers glued to the screen. Step 5. Attract your viewers with an eye-catching thumbnail. Now, we're diving into titles and thumbnails. Regardless if you've got this amazing video, with fantastic content it works. None of that matters if your video's title and thumbnail aren't on point. Seriously, they're like the front door to your video. If they don't look inviting, nobody's gonna come in to see what's inside. For example, you're strolling through many thumbnails on YouTube. You often click a thumbnail that catches your eye, and at the same time, a title that is intriguing, right? That's the one you want to achieve with your viewers. You might be thinking how to do that. First, set your title. Titles are your first impression with potential viewers. They need to grab attention, generate curiosity, and promise something worth clicking for. It's like crafting the perfect headline for a story. You want to entice without giving too much away. Secondly, thumbnails are your visual ambassadors, the one that's responsible for viewers' attention. They should complement your title, offering a glimpse into the content awaiting within. Think of them as the cover of a book, engaging and impossible to ignore. Now, let's play a little game. I'll show you 2 titles for a video, and you tell me which one makes you go, I gotta click on that. Title 1. Quiz on Mr. Beast's latest video. Title 2. Only 1% could solve this Mr. Beast quiz. Which one did you pick? Most likely you went for the second one, right? It's because it's not just telling you what it is, it's challenging you, making you curious. That's what you want your title to do, grab attention and spark interest. Now, on to thumbnails. They're like the window display of your video. You want them to be clear, catchy, and give a hint of what's inside. If someone looks at your thumbnail and can't figure out what your video's about, it's back to the drawing board. Keep it simple, keep it eye-catching, but don't go overboard with too much stuff. Oh, and one more thing. Consistency is key. Stick to your style, your colors, your layout. It helps viewers recognize your videos in a sea of content, and that's how you build a loyal audience. So when you put it all together, great video idea, attention-grabbing title, eye-catching thumbnail, and consistent style, you've got yourself a winning formula to capture your audience's attention and keep them coming back for more. And that's a wrap. Today we've covered everything you need to know about creating captivating quiz videos on YouTube. Crafting engaging questions to making catchy titles and thumbnails are worth exploring. Remember, it's all about keeping your viewers hooked with a solid idea, an engaging hook, compelling content, and striking visuals. These tips will surely help you stand out in the YouTube crowd. Now it's your turn to join in the conversation. Here's a question for you. What's one thing you've learned today that you're excited to try out on your own YouTube channel? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you want more tips and tricks to boost your making money online, make sure to subscribe to Profitability Plus and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Remember, it's all about consistency and creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.